Did you accidentally apply a payment to the wrong invoice in Zoho Books? Learn how to delete that payment in under 2 minutes. First, we'll locate the invoice with the wrong payment. Then, reveal the hidden payment history to delete it. Let's dive in. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Sales. Now, from the Sales menu, select Invoices. Find the invoice you want to work with. For example, click on the invoice dated 20 July 2026. Click the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots. Then, from the drop-down, choose Delete. After that, click on Show Payment History to view the payments linked to this invoice. Next to the payment you want to remove, click the More Actions icon again. Then select Delete from the options. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete Payment to confirm. Finally, click Delete one more time to complete the process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.